down to the final 8 teams and the best teams in the tournament. But who's going to make the semis, the finals, and eventually lift that beautiful trophy? Let's predict the Super 8 now. Group A, we have South Africa, West Indies, USA, and England. And in Group B, we have India, Australia, Afghanistan, and Bangladesh. Group A is definitely the harder group, and USA will find it really challenging. But can they upset a team or two and eventually, who knows, make the semis? So game number 1, South Africa, USA. Now this is going to be a good game, but I think South Africa has the edge over USA simply because of their stronger batting depth. They really haven't fired, but in the big stage, I feel their batsmen will do well, especially with slightly easier conditions than the ones they got in New York. They're bound to do well in this match. England, West Indies, I think West Indies is going to win this match. They have beaten England recently, especially in the T20 series. I think they're going to carry this winning momentum. They've been unbeaten. They have played fantastic cricket, and their batting is also coming together as a unit. So I think West Indies has the edge over England, though England will give them a tough competition for sure. Afghanistan, India, look, Afghanistan has played well. Obviously they lost to West Indies, but their spin attack is really good, I think. So with their pace attack. But I think on this Barbados wicket, if this match was in Guyana, maybe it was a slightly tougher competition. But in a Barbados wicket, India should win this match, pretty simply. Australia, Bangladesh, just give me Australia. Now South Africa, England, ooh, that's going to be a close game. Let me think of a winner. I can't really think of one really. This is going to be a crunch game. Both teams are equally balanced, I think. And their batting is strong. Their bowling is also... I think it's going to be South Africa simply because their bowling's better. Though I can't really say it now. Both teams look good on paper. I say West Indies, now the hosts face off. But I think West Indies should win this. India, Bangladesh. Bangladesh for sure. Nah, I'm kidding. India all the way. For sure. Definitely India. Afghanistan, Australia. We saw last time what happened. It was a killer game. Will Glenn Maxwell come good? I'm not sure. Though I think Australia will win this. I say England. Now, these two are my favorite countries personally. I'm thinking of applying to college in one of these countries. Well, let me make a bet. Whoever wins this match, I'm going to go study in their country. Now, it's too big of a risk for my future. Though England should win this. West Indies, South Africa. I think West Indies will have the edge over South Africa in this one. India, Australia. Ooh, the game of the tournament. Who's going to win this? I'm not sure. But I think I'm going to actually go with India for this one. Both teams would have qualified by then for the semis. And I think India is going to top their group. Finally, Afghanistan, Bangladesh. Both teams wouldn't have reached the semis. I think Afghanistan should win this.